2 in 3 teens experience some form of dating violence. Most teens go to their friends or peers before talking to parents, teachers, or other trusted adults, so it's important to inform teens about the signs of dating violence. We offer a teen dating violence awareness program called Advocating for My Relationships, or ADMYRE. In this program, teens will walk in the shoes of an individual who is experiencing an unhealthy relationship. What happens during ADMYRE? As the participants follow one of the stories, they will be in a group with their peers making decisions throughout the story as if they were the main character. Each story is based on the real-life experience of someone experiencing an unhealthy relationship. Let's meet one of the couples. Kiana and Jeremiah's relationship is loving at first until Jeremiah has trouble controlling his anger and takes it out on Kiana. Throughout this story, students will witness how Kiana navigated experiencing physical abuse, as well as the subtle ways blaming, denying, and coercion can appear in an unhealthy relationship. Stories like this can create opportunities for discussions about healthy relationships too, which is the goal of the debrief in the second half of the simulation. In the debrief, the facilitators will lead a discussion of the stories identifying the unhealthy characteristics found in each. Then, students will participate in activities where they learn about healthy and unhealthy characteristics, what they value in relationships, technology in relationships, how to support someone experiencing an unhealthy relationship, and safety plan basics. How can I bring ADMYRE to my students? The first option is an in-person kit that will be mailed to you. The in-person kit includes all materials and instructions to facilitate ADMYRE in person to students and youth, including online access to digital materials. You will need to provide a large room and the staff to run the program. The second option is an asynchronous online format. With this option, you will receive an access link to a 100% virtual program that can be shared with students and youth to complete on a computer, laptop, or iPad. As part of using the entire kit or the online program, ADMYRE does require that your students participate in our research to ensure the program continues to meet the needs of the students. Students will complete a short electronic pre- and post survey before and after the program. What is our goal? Our goal is to teach teens and raise awareness about the realities of dating violence. We want to provide various resources to help you and other teens stay safe. We also want to help start a conversation. We want you to recognize the signs and be able to talk to someone about it. You can make a difference. For more information, please visit our website, childwelfareject.hs.iastate.edu/ADMYRE. ADMYRE was created in 2022 by Iowa State University, the Iowa Department of Health and Human Services, and the Iowa Coalition Against Domestic Violence.